ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्माम् अमृतङ्गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हर हर महादेव शंभो शंकर। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम। Come on, let us start the exercises, starting with pranayama, breathing exercises. As usual, start with Bhastrika pranayama to keep our both the lungs as well as heart healthy. And any damn disease related to these organs will be eliminated and make 100% healthy. Pay your attention towards both inhaling as well as exhaling. We can practice in 3 ways: slow speed, medium speed, or high speed, whichever is convenient to you. And keep in your mind that those who are suffering with heart related problems as well as high BP should always practice with slow speed or medium speed. Results will be the same even if you practice with slow speed, medium speed, or high speed. So please pay your attention towards both inhaling as well as exhaling, and keep concentration on Ajna Chakra. And take the word Om, 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 as long as we inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, but not loudly. With inner soul only, you have to take the word Om. Good going. Continue, continue. Good going. Continue, continue. Further 1 minute we do the Bhastrika Pranayam. Pay your attention towards both inhaling as well as exhaling and take the word Om without fail, with inner soul, as long as you inhale and exhale. Vishra. Very good, very good. Well done. Now we do Kapalabhati Pranayam, which is a pill for all diseases. Any damn disease will be controlled by practicing Kapalabhati Pranayam. The way of practicing is to pay your attention towards exhaling only. Forget about inhaling. When we exhale, by applying a little force, automatically certain air enters into the body. That is sufficient to exhale another time. So, pay your attention towards exhaling, exhaling, exhaling. That's it. Your stomach, liver, large intestine, small intestine, pancreas, spleen, all these organs will become 100% healthy. Not only that, the other organs even, right from your foot nail to head hair, all the organs will be healthy. Your blood purifies, blood circulation saturates, so there won't be any skin diseases. High BP as well as low BP, both will be controlled and leveled. Similarly, since your pancreas activated and become healthy, you won't get any diabetic problems. Sugar levels will also be maintained. What else we want? Entire body will become 100% healthy by doing this Kapalabhati Pranayam. That is why this is known as a pill for all diseases. Go on exhaling, go on exhaling, go on exhaling. Simply keep one thing in mind, that those who are suffering with heart related problems and high BP patients should always practice with slow or medium speed only. The results will be the same even if you practice with slow speed, medium speed or high speed. Only when we practice with this Kapalabhati Pranayam, keep your concentration on Mooladhara Chakra 2, which is situated at the end of your spinal cord, where it bends. There is the place of Mooladhara Chakra, main energy point of human body. practice other pranayamas keeping this Dhyan Mudra mode. While doing this Kapalbhati pranayam, keep Prana Mudra mode. Fold your fingers in such a way that your point finger touches the first joint of your thumb, and the thumb is resting on folded point finger. Remaining three fingers are straight, joined together, and keep on your respective knees. This is Prana Mudra. You applied mudra having certain pose, asana, doing breathing exercise. Fourth, doing meditation also by taking the word O, 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 O within us, soul, not loudly. So means you are doing meditation too. So 4 in 1, advanced yoga you are doing. Within no time, you will become 100% healthy, diseaseless body. Go on, exhale, go on, exhale, go on, exhale. And it reduces the weight of those who are having excess and improve the weight those who are having less. That is why this is known as a pill for all diseases. Come on, do it. Good going. Continue, continue. Rest both the wrists on respective knees. Ensure the palm is facing towards the sky. Keep spinal straight, neck straight. Go on exhaling, go on exhaling, go on exhaling. Vishram. About 10 minutes we have done this Kapalbhati Pranayama. Sarva Roga Nivarani. relax. Even if stop the exercise, be in the same pose, keep eyes closed, observe those breathe in, breathe outs with inner soul. 3 times. Means simply pay your attention towards that inhaling and exhaling, but with inner soul only. Good. Next prakriya. Bahya pranayam we do. In Bahya pranayam, first inhale and exhale totally, empty it out. Then apply Jalandhar Bandh, Uddiyana Bandh and Mul Bandh. Right from Muladhara to Vishuddha. While releasing the bandhanas, inhale again and exhale immediately. Again apply 3 bandhanas. Jalandhar Bandh, Uddiyana Bandh, Mool Bandh. Repeat. Repeat once more. Very good, very good, very good. Relax. Now we do Ujjayi Pranayam. Any sort of viral will be cured. Cold, cough, fever. Keep me away from you. Ujjayi Pranayam. The way of practicing is simply tighten the neck slightly and squeeze the air inside. Then apply Jalandhar Bandh, Mool Bandh. You cannot apply Uddiyana Bandh since air is inside. And release the air through your left nostril only. Repeat the same. Through left nostril only you will have to release the air. Repeat it once more. Release the air through left nostril. Retention of air for a longer periods is not advisable to those who are suffering with high BP. Very good, well done. Now we do Anuloma Viloma Pranayam. Keep the fingers in Dhyana Mudra mode. Lift your right hand. With thumb, you'll have to stop your right nostril. Inhale through left nostril and stop the left nostril with the help of ring finger and middle fingers. Release the air through right nostril, through which we release the air. From that side only you will have to inhale. So from right you have inhale, opposite side release. Inhale through that side from which side we released. Repeat the rounds. This is very good for your entire ENT department. Any sort of headache will be controlled. Brain power will be improved. Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, throat related problems will be removed. And there are 72 crore 72 lakh 10,210 nerves in human body. Each and every nerve will get purified overall. While doing this pranayama, Anulom Vilom, keep concentration on Agna Chakra, where we apply the bindi in between eyebrows. That is the place of Agna Chakra. Keep concentration on that. And don't forget to take the word Om. Om, 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 as long as you inhale and exhale. With inner soul only, not loudly. Okay? By doing this, Anulom Vilom, your Chandra Nadi, Surya Nadi and Sushumna Nadi. Means Ida, Pingala, Sushumna. All these three nerves will get activated. These are the main nerves to activate your energy points. Means right from Agna to Muladhara. Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahat, Hruday, Vishuddha, Agna. Then the last Sahasra. So by doing Kapalabhati Pranayam as well as this Anuloma Viloma Pranayam, we can awaken our inner powers. Main energy, Prana Shakti, is in your Mooladhara Chakra, which is facing downwards at the time of birth. But by our routine practices, one fine morning that can be awakened. Means that energy from downwards to turn upwards. Then it starts traveling towards up, Mooladhara to Manipura, Manipura to Swadhisthana, Swadhisthana to Anahat, Anahat to Hruday, Hruday to Vishuddha, Vishuddha to Agna and reaches Sahasra. Once it is reached Sahasra means you will become Mahan, just like Gautam Buddha, Jesus, Sri Krishna, Ram. They are all great personalities. Sai Baba. So at least, even if the Kundalini Jagana is not possible, at least we can lead 100% healthy lives. So these two as well as Bhastrika. These three are must. Daily you will have to practice. 5 minutes of Bhastrika, 10 minutes Kapalbhati, and 10 minutes Anulom Vilom are more than enough. And when we practice this Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom, for more than 1 hour or 2 hours, even acute problems will also be cured. వెరీ గుడ్. చేయట్లేదా మీరు ఆపిసారా?
చేసాం.
విశ్రామ్. Sit straight. Be in the same pose. Let us do 3 times Bhramari and 3 times Omkar Udgit. In Bhramari, join little finger, ring finger and middle finger together. And gently close your eyes with those 3. Ensure your point of middle fingers are touch the corner of your eyes. Then keep point fingers on forehead. With thumbs close the ears. By closing the lips, chant Om. Vishra. Now let us chant Omkar thrice. Omkar Udgit, which is God. Inhale. Keep both the lungs fully filled with oxygen. Then properly and for a longer time you can chant the Om. Very good, very good, very good. Well done. प्रणव के ऊपर ध्यान रखेंगे. Means meditation. Simply keep your concentration on that respiratory system and observe the breathe in, breathe outs with inner soul only. Don't intentionally inhale or exhale. Simply pay your attention towards that system, respiratory system. Pranava Pranayama, which is last one. Very good, very good. Well done. Take your both the hands slowly up. Join together. Rub the hands each other. Create heat. With that heat, polish your eyes as well as checks gently. Open your eyes in your palm itself. Slowly. Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. So pranayama session is over. Now Shanti.